what do you think about that?
Yes, I think it is a good factory. It is have a good quality. Lincoln must make the qualities more better and better.
Thank you for your comments.
The video, all of the result of your products, it's very clear.
Clear.
Very clear, and then the brightness is so bright. Yes, yes, it's good. It's smooth, smooth finishing for its cabinet and for its module.
What's your favorite product in our showroom room?
Transparent products. I love this so much.
And you log in with your 300. With the same module size, 320.